Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to talk about all the different platforms that you could avail and start selling on e-commerce in 2022. Now there's so many different platforms that are available, such as eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, and so many others as well. But we're going to focus on the best one. Now, one of the major things, guys, that you got to remember before you ever get into the e-commerce websites and start selling online is always understand what kind of business this is. And obviously, the basic elements of the business and the dynamics of the business. And you need to understand what you need to do before you start selling online. And one of the major things which I highly recommend every single individual that is thinking about starting an e-commerce business is start with a business plan. A business plan is the basic documentation that you need to have. You need to have a clear strategy. Then you need to understand what marketing you need to do. You need to understand what financial responsibilities you tend to have. And obviously what products you're going to get and who are you going to sell those products to and what kind of portfolio you're going to have. And that is the reason why we're making all these videos that are available on our channel. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, head over and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because we are giving you a chance of a lifetime to get you the financial freedom that you always been dreaming about and break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and take control of your life once and for all. The first website that you need to check out is called ebay.com. Now, we all know for a fact that eBay is the place where you can buy, sell, trade, and do a lot of e-commerce activities. And there's so many different products that are available that people are selling. They're selling new products, they're selling old products, they're selling products that people want and selling products that people need. And that is one of the basic understandings that you need to have. What is a need and what is a want? A want is a product which is a luxurious product, and need is a product that people require to live. And once you understand the dynamics of each one of them and find a common ground between them, that is where the main profit is going to come. How do you make a profit? It is very simple and straightforward. If you watch this video to the end, you'll understand exactly how you can make money and increase your profit margins every time that you sell a product on any e-commerce platform. The next platform that I'm going to talk about is Amazon. Now, we know one thing, and that is that Amazon is not one but the biggest platform available on the internet right now. Either it be books or the favorite PlayStation 5 that you want, or the Xbox that you require, or that laptop you looked at, or that amazing jacket that you wanted to buy. This is the place to get everything. This is your one-stop shop where you can buy anything that you want. And guess what, guys? You can take a piece of the cake as well and start selling on Amazon and become a merchant yourself, and obviously become part of the Amazon family, because at the end of the day, you gotta know and understand the dynamics, the ropes of how to do business on Amazon. And that is why we are making these videos, to give you complete insight and the tips that you require to make yourself stand out from the whole market itself and give you that competitive advantage and make you a successful Amazon seller. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals not to put all their eggs into one basket, but distribute those eggs. You got to have an account on eBay and you got to have an account on Amazon. But the third place, which I highly recommend for you to make an account, is on Shopify, because if you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify to build their business. And the reason for that is because Shopify can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creators, where you don't need any coding expertise at all, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. And you can even add more features and functionalities to your store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners, and you can connect with customers everywhere. That is the beauty of living in the 21st century, guys, because right now we have the power in our hands. And with the laptops and with the internet and with the tablets and with the smartphones, you have a opportunity that you're never gonna get again, where you can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both, with the marketing tools and the social integrations and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And with the proper tools, you can do whatever it takes to become successful. And you can manage your inventory, you can track payments and view real-time business insights from a single dashboard. And guys, it's all about empowering entrepreneurs, giving a chance to entrepreneurs to dream and get hold of their finance and be financially independent and break away from the 9-to-5s that we've always been stuck in. And that is why these e-commerce platforms are giving individuals, millions of merchants in 175 countries a chance to be part of the $444 billion economic activity. And the best thing, guys, for all these platforms is the support, the assistance, and the guidance that you get. All three of these platforms provide you an opportunity where you can always have a friend in need, and they're always there to help you, guide you, and support you, either be their blogs or their online courses or their community and their help center. They're always there whenever you have a question, and they will show you the way and guide you step by step. Now, once you have created an e-commerce place, an e-commerce platform, and an e-commerce account, a merchant account, and you start selling on either eBay or Amazon or Shopify, what are you going to sell? And this is where AliExpress comes into play. Now, AliExpress is the place to find bargains, and this is where you can make a profit. It's very simple, guys, and straightforward. Buy a product at the least amount of money and sell it for a high price, and the difference that you make is the profit that you make. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to find products that sell, find products that are hot selling, find products that make a difference, find products that actually are evergreen, meaning at any time in the month, in the year that you have, that product is gonna sell. And finding those products, it's very simple and straightforward if you follow all the tips and the tricks that we're telling you on our channel. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. AliExpress is the place that you can find a variety of products. And remember, guys, you need to have a diverse portfolio, meaning any age group, any gender, any location, any individuals that's living in Australia or the US or the UK or even Spain or Dubai or China or Japan or Korea or South Africa will definitely come to your store and find a product that they want to buy. The next place that you can get a lot of good bargains is Alibaba.com. The difference between AliExpress and Alibaba is one major, which is that you cut out the middleman. Alibaba is a place where you can find manufacturers and go to the source of the product. And that is where the main profit comes from, when there's no middleman and obviously no one getting a cut from the profit that you're making. So go directly to the supplier, and the more you buy it, the cheaper it's gonna be and the more profit that you're gonna make. But guys, remember that research is the key to success. The more research that you do, the better research that you do, the thorough research that you do, the more money you're gonna make. Either it be primary research or secondary research, it needs to be research. The last platform that I'm gonna talk about and show you guys is very amazing. It is called Banggood.com. Now, Banggood.com is a place that you can get a lot of products and obviously compare the price. Remember, you gotta get a product where it's a bargain, either on AliExpress or Alibaba or Banggood. Make sure that you get a product that is the cheapest so you can always make a higher profit at the end of the day. Combining all these strategies together, you would be able to create not only a scalable but a successful business. And that is the reason why a lot of individuals are making a lot of money by the e-commerce websites, and you could be one of them. So if you understand anything or you find anything difficult to comprehend, always comment in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you, to guide you, to assist you, and show you the ropes. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, so more people can find out about the different platforms that they can avail and start selling and get the financial freedom that they've always been craving about. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.